Hello and welcome to this lesson, Basic Arabic Sentences and Phrases. In this lesson, we are covering some necessary phrases and expressions that are needed by every Arabic learners in order to accelerate his Arabic learning and in order to communicate in Arabic with his teacher or his colleagues in the classroom all the time. Let's start by this sentence. تصبح تصبحين على خير. تصبح for a man if you speak to a man or a male. تصبحين if you speak to a lady or to a female. على خير. Have a good night. Have a good night. وأنت if you speak to a man or وأنتي if you speak to a lady. من أهل الخير. وأنت من أهل الخير or وأنتي من أهل الخير. Have a good night too. It's a response for the previous sentence. Have a good night. أحلام سعيدة. Sweet dreams. من فضلك. Please. لحظة من فضلك. One moment please. انتظر. Wait. انتظر. Wait. انتظر دقيقة. Wait a minute. انتظر ثانية. Wait a second. انتظر لحظة. Wait a moment. ما الجديد. What is new? What's up? ما الجديد. What is new? لا جديد. No news. No news. آسف. Sorry. آسفة. If you are a man you say آسف. Sorry. If you are a woman you say آسفة. Sorry. المعذرة. المعذرة. Excuse me. المعذرة. Excuse me. هل تتكلم العربية? Do you speak Arabic? هل تتكلم العربية؟ Do you speak Arabic? هل تتكلم الإنجليزية؟ Do you speak English? هل تتكلم الإنجليزية؟ Do you speak English? نعم قليلا. Yes, a little bit. نعم أتكلم العربية. Yes, I speak Arabic. لا أتكلم العربية. No, I don't speak Arabic. لا أتكلم الإنجليزية. No, I don't speak English. This is for part 1 of this lesson. Please download part 2 from the link below and I am waiting for you to continue this lesson. Thank you and see you in the next video.